In this video, I would like to demonstrate the use of the law of cosines. The law of cosine can be used if you have three sides given in the triangle, or you have two sides and the included angle in between. So this is for SSS or SAS. So what is the law of cosine? It states that the square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides minus twice the product of these two sides times the cosine of an angle opposite the first mentioned side. So in this particular given, let's name the side opposite the angle D as a side D, the side opposite the angle F as a side F, and the side opposite the angle E as a side E. So the one being asked in here is what is a side EF or side D. So to find it, the square of one side, so what is that side? The side that we're looking for. So the square of one side, which is the D squared, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, which is the E squared plus F squared minus twice the product of these two sides multiplied by the cosine of an angle opposite the first mentioned side. So the first mentioned side is D, so opposite that side is angle D. So that should be our formula. Let's just substitute the number. So D squared is equals to 7 squared plus F squared, which is 23 squared, minus 2 times 7 times 23 cosine of 78 degrees. So to solve this problem, we have to get the square root of both sides. So this is just D equals the square root of the entire thing. 7 squared plus 23 squared minus 2 times 7 times 23 times cosine of 78. And we just need a calculator to approximate the value. So let's put this in a calculator. Square root, and then just type 7 squared plus 23 squared minus 2 times 7 times 23 times cosine of 78, and just press enter. So it says round to the nearest whole number, so our answer should be 22. Its answer should be 23 because the number after 2 or the ones place is 6, so it should be 23. Okay, let's have our second example. This time let us find the measure of the angle. Okay, so here we go. This is a side, and we're gonna find the measure of the angle. So again, let's name the side opposite the angle K as a side K. Angle H, opposite side, is a small letter h, and the side opposite the angle P is a small side P. So we're looking for angle H. It means this is the one being asked for. So if that's the case, look at this opposite side there. So when we write our equation, we start for that given. So it should be h squared is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, which is k squared plus p squared minus twice the product of these two sides cosine of an angle opposite the first mentioned side, which is this one. first mentioned side is this, so the opposite angle of that is capital H. So let's substitute the number. So this is 22 squared equals 28 squared plus 26 squared minus 2 times 28 times 26 cosine of angle H. Okay, let's calculate that number. So 22 squared equals 484 is equals to 28 squared 784 plus 26 squared 676 minus 2 times 28 times 26 1456 cosine of angle H. Let's go ahead and add this first. So we have 784 plus 676 is equals to 1460, and then copy everything first. 1456 cosine of angle H. Now let's subtract 1460 on both sides. This is cancelled. So 484 minus 1460 is equals to negative 976 is equals to negative 1456 cosine of angle H. Now let us divide both sides of the equation by negative 1456, negative 1456, cancel that. So negative divided by negative is a positive, so we have a positive 976 over 1456, and that is equals to cosine of angle H. So to find again for the angle H, we have to press this in our calculator, cosine inverse of, put this number in, 976 over 1456, that is equals to angle H. This is our exact value for angle H, but let's put this in a calculator and let's round to the nearest whole number. Inverse cosine of 976 divided by 1456, and it's 47.9. Round up to the nearest whole number. Our angle H is approximately 48 degrees.